Cory, what are the chances that Apple does this?
I'm putting them at 0,
Right.
maybe a little bit less. This is ridiculous. Tesla's trading at $193 a share. It's got $7 in book value. They don't even say how many patents they have in their 10K, the best I can find. And they warned that their patents might not be enforceable in their 10K. So what would Apple get if they paid $193? Presumably they have to pay more to buy Tesla from the public markets. They would get $7 worth of a factory and some charging stations and actual hard assets that Tesla owns. They'll get a handful of patents that may or may not be enforceable, and we don't even know how many of those are. They get the name Tesla.
Yeah, you make a good point, and I have to say that Financial Times had a good write-up a couple days ago about this. That look, Tesla spent about $3 billion in R&D in 2009. Apple spends $6 billion a year in that. So why buy the company? Just spend more in R&D.
Yeah, I mean, I think it raises a much bigger question, right? Is what are Apple's intentions in the car business? And I think that they probably don't even know yet. And also, what is the ultimate value of something as innovative and interesting as Tesla? What is that actually worth? The car is cool, but what is it worth? You know, the stock market's putting a certain kind of bet on it in terms of the price of the stock right now. But when you look at the actual physical assets and so on, that's what you get if you bought the company. That's certainly a lot less than the actual value of the stock right now.
No, fair point. One more thing I want to bring your attention to is the iTunes outages. A lot of frustration from Apple users. We're looking at 8 hours where you couldn't download apps from the App Store. What do you make about that? I mean, I'm hearing some rumors about a data center breach. Cory, what do you hear?
Well, I don't want to speculate. What I'll say is that when the App Store is down, this affects tens of thousands of people and companies all around the world who are trying to sell into that platform that is the iPhone and the iPad. And so this will have some ripple effects that go quite wide. And
I should point out that Nomura said that if it is a data breach, that it could be pretty serious.
Yeah.
All right.
It would.
It would.
But we don't know that yet.
We don't know, but it would be serious. I'm glad we agree on that.